Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English confidently, clearly, and naturally, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we are going to practice English through shadowing, one of the most powerful techniques to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, fluency, and confidence. Don't just listen. Don't just read. Speak with me. In this video, you will follow a full day in English, from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night. It will feel like a simple story, but it will train your brain to think in English automatically. Remember, fluency is not about knowing difficult words. Fluency is about speaking simple sentences smoothly and naturally. If you practice this daily, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, you will notice a big difference in your speaking skills. So sit comfortably, wear your headphones, focus carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin your journey to confident English speaking right now. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms. I turn off the alarm on my phone. I sit up and take a deep breath. I look outside and check the weather. The morning air feels fresh and cool. I get out of bed and make it neatly. I walk to the bathroom quietly. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. I look at myself in the mirror. I take a quick shower. The water feels warm and relaxing. I dry myself with a soft towel. I get dressed for the day. I comb my hair and get ready. I check my phone for messages. I reply to a few important texts. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I prepare a simple and healthy meal. I make a cup of hot tea. I sit down and enjoy my breakfast. I think about my plans for the day. I pack my bag before leaving. I check if I have my keys and wallet. I lock the door and step outside. The street looks calm and peaceful. I start my car and drive to work. I listen to music on the way. The traffic moves slowly today. I arrive at work on time. I greet my colleagues with a smile. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails carefully. I respond to urgent messages first. I attend the morning meeting. We discuss our tasks for the day. I focus on my work seriously. I complete my tasks one by one. I take a short break after some time. I feel a little hungry at noon. I go out for lunch with my coworkers. We talk and laugh together. I enjoy my meal slowly. I drink plenty of water. I return to the office feeling refreshed. I continue my work with energy. I solve a few challenging problems. I answer some phone calls. I send important documents by email. I organize my desk neatly. I check my schedule for tomorrow. I finish my work before leaving. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I leave the office in the evening. The sky looks beautiful at sunset. I drive back home peacefully. I feel tired but satisfied. I reach home safely. I change into comfortable clothes. I wash my hands and relax for a while. I sit on the sofa and rest. I scroll through my phone casually. I talk to my family about the day. We share our experiences happily. I help with small household chores. I prepare dinner with my family. The kitchen smells delicious. We sit together and eat dinner. We watch a TV show while eating. I laugh at a funny scene. I clean the table after dinner. I wash the dishes quietly. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I set my alarm for the next morning. I take a short walk outside. The night air feels cool and calm. I look at the stars in the sky. I go back inside and lock the door. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face before bed. I change into my pajamas. I lie down on my bed comfortably. I check my phone one last time. I read a few pages of a book. I think about my achievements today. I feel grateful for everything. I plan to improve tomorrow. I close my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I relaxed my body completely.
My mind becomes calm and peaceful. I let go of all worries. I feel sleepy and relaxed. I turn off the lights. The room becomes quiet and dark. I pull the blanket over me. I drift into a deep sleep. I dream about happy moments. I rest well and prepare for a new day. Well done! If you completed this entire shadowing practice, you should feel proud of yourself. Remember, fluency is not built in one day. It is built every single day, sentence by sentence, repetition by repetition. The more you practice speaking out loud, the more natural English will feel to you. Your tongue will move more easily, your pronunciation will become more clear, and your confidence will grow stronger. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Silence means you are not practicing. So come back tomorrow. Practice again, repeat again, improve again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss your daily English practice. Keep speaking, keep improving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next lesson.